Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a smoky text intros in CapCut. So here what you need to do is just open CapCut and then click on new project and choose stock videos and click on choose the black background, add, and then adjust the black background into 8 to 10 seconds. Okay, adjust it. I'm going to go with 8 seconds and then add the text that you want. So here I'm going to add text like this, and then you can adjust the font into your liking. I'm going to go with this one's right here, and then click on a check icon and you can adjust the size, and then after that adjust the length until it fits into the black background like this, and then export it. Then click on done and then start a new project and choose the smoke video like this. You can find it on internet, and then after that import the previous text video as an overlay. So click on overlay and import the text video here and adjust it until it fits to the smoke video, and then after that click on the splice and choose burn. Okay, I'm going to adjust it like this, choose burn and then click on the check icon and then go to animations and find in and select the fade in. Click on the check icon and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that is how you can make the intros, the smoky text intros. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.